Alright everyone, I'm going to start making survival videos, and today's a challenge to make a kick-ass survival shelter with these three tools. Stupid little digger, knife sharpener, pocket knife. That's it. Let's get to it. Figured I'll be making my shelter somewhere around here, this open grass. First step is to cut down a whole bunch of these saplings so I can use them as structural material for the sides with the pocket knife. Yeah, girl, I'm gonna lose 20 pounds doing this. Oh baby. There we go. Ow. I did it. One down, 1,000 to go. Ugh. One. Woo! Woo, baby. Just cutting a wedge out so I can start cutting it. Wonder how long this pocket knife is going to hold up. Okay. Ready, set, push. I'm just gonna lay on it with all my force. Yeah, I got it. Ugh, I don't got it. Okay, well that's what happened there. That makes sense. What am I doing with my life? This is the most ridiculous challenge on YouTube. This is way worse than eating the Helgramite challenge. Just getting stuff out of the way. This is a big bastard. That's why you don't want to put your hand in front of the blade at any time. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Look at that. I'm getting through ya. Oh, there it goes. Knife broke. Dang, that was my favorite knife. I got a piece. Hooray! Oh my God. I'm at least gonna get through this tree, darn it. Unless my knife breaks all the way. Got through half of it. Alright. We've successfully gotten 3 pieces of timber so far. Really 2. 1 and 2 halves. Here's my digging tool, it's doing just fine. Here's my pocket knife, it's not doing so good. The blade's bent too on the tip. And it's dull attack. Just sharpen it. And I'm exhausted. That doesn't matter. I would have kept going if this thing would have kept going with me. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I'll keep making that survival shelter on another episode with some real tools this time. For now, peace guys.